Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a quick, easy and simple recipe for golden fried rice. To get started here, I have my cooked rice that I had sitting in the fridge overnight, and I'll be using some egg yolks. I also have mixed vegetables. I'll be using garlic and ginger paste, some onions, chicken powder. Chicken powder is like chicken bouillon. I have black pepper and some green onions. Let's jump right in. So to begin, you want to take your egg yolks and add it to the cooked rice, and you want to mix it really well until the rice is fully coated with the egg yolks. Now I like to do this with clean hands because it's easier that way. But if you want, you can go in there with a utensil like a spoon or a fork or whatever you choose. Once we're done, we'll move on to the next step. In a preheated wok, I did add a little oil, and now I will add my mixed vegetables. We'll cook it for about 2 minutes, remove it and set it aside. In the same pot, I will add some more vegetable oil and a few drops of sesame oil. Then we'll add the onions, garlic and ginger paste and allow that to go for about a minute or so. Next, you want to add your cooked rice, and you want to use a technique when doing this. You want to press and flip, press and flip. That will allow the egg yolks to cook properly. And a good way to know if your egg yolks are fully cooked is when you first add your rice in. You'll notice the rice is kind of wet and clammy, but as it cooks, the rice loosens up and become fluffy and, shelly. So you want to keep doing this process until all of your egg yolks are fully cooked, and then we will add the rest of the ingredients. After about 3 minutes, as you can see, the rice is now loose and fluffy, and that's a good indication that your yolks are fully cooked. Now we'll go in there with our mixed vegetables, and we will add our seasoning just to season it up and add taste to it. Now you can season to your own liking. If you feel like the measurements I placed in the description box are not enough, you can add some more. And that's it. Now we will add our green onions and turn the heat off. It's that simple, guys, and this is so delicious. It's the perfect side dish that you can have it with almost anything. Now I will plate it up and I'll be back with the finished product. And here you have it, my version of golden fried rice. It's golden because it's yellow, made with only egg yolks, and it is the perfect side dish. I did plate this up with some steamed bok choy and some oven roasted soy chicken. It was absolutely divine. I really do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.